In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your WordPress website using Hostinger hPanel. Keeping a fresh backup is one of the simplest ways to protect your content, your design, and all your hard work in case something goes wrong during an update or a plugin change. I'll walk you through the entire process from logging in to verifying your download so you're confident you can restore your site if you ever need to. First, log in to your Hostinger hPanel. Use a reliable internet connection and a private device if possible, since you'll be working with your site's data. Once you're in, head to the Websites section. Find the WordPress site you want to protect and open its dashboard. This is your site's control center, where you'll access key tools including backups. Next, look for the Backups section. Hostinger organizes this area to make it straightforward to capture or retrieve copies of your site. Inside, you'll be prompted to choose what you want to back up, your website files, your database, or both. Your files include things like your theme, plugins, and media uploads. Your database stores your posts, pages, comments, users, and settings. For a complete safety net, backing up both is usually the best choice. From here, you can start a new backup or select an available backup version to download. If you're creating a fresh one, click the option to generate it now. If you already see a recent time-stamped backup that matches the point in time you trust, you can choose that instead. Always double-check the date and time so you know exactly what snapshot you're saving. After you start, wait while Hostinger prepares the backup file. This can take a few minutes, especially for larger sites with lots of images or plugins. Keep the tab open and avoid interrupting the process to prevent a corrupt download. When it's ready, download the backup to your computer and store it safely. A good practice is to save it in a clearly labeled folder with the date in the file name, and consider keeping an extra copy on an external drive or a secure cloud storage service. Don't rely only on a single location. Finally, verify that the backup is complete. Make sure the download finished successfully, the file size looks reasonable for your site, and if it's a compressed archive, that it opens without errors. For full backups, you should see your site files and a database export, often a .sql file. With that confirmed, you'll be ready to restore your WordPress website later if needed. That's it. Repeat this process regularly and especially before major updates to keep your site safe.